Okay, so let me just see if I got this straight. Every unit that we're selling for $2, we had to pay 40% of that in order to make it. So how much do we get to keep? We get to keep 60% of the $2. Now 60% of $2, that's like 0.6 times 2, so like 6 times 2 over 10. So 12 over 10, so $1.2. So I get to keep $1.2 out of each unit. And I need to figure out how many of these $1.2 would recoup my fixed cost, which is $5,040. So at this point, I think I just have to figure out how many times does 1.2 fit into 5,040. And the way that I would do that is I would start by expanding both by a factor of 10 because I don't like to divide by a decimal. So now we're talking about 50,400 divided by 12. But then I'm thinking I shouldn't have to calculate something like that on the GMAT. It's just a bit more intense of a calculation than you would typically have to do on this test. So I glance at the answer choices, and sure enough, they're fairly spread out. And so I'm thinking, approximately how many times would 12 fit into 50,400? I mean, I know that 12 would fit into 48,000 4,000 times, because 12 fits into 48 4 times. So 12 would fit into 48,000 4,000 times. And 50,400 is even more than 48,000. So the answer has to be more than 4,000, and thankfully there's only one answer choice that matches that. Now I don't think that we got lucky here. I think that the creators of the test designed these answer choices that way on purpose. They wanted to kind of give an advantage to people who realize I shouldn't have to do that kind of calculation. I should be able to just approximate because after all, this is the GMAT, it's not a math test.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.